students, this is Srikanth Tadvarti. You watching Srikanth Ideal Chemistry. In this video, we discussing about previous NEET questions given from the topic of metallurgy. So this is the first question. This question is given in a NEET 2018 paper. Considering a Lingen diagram, which of the following metal can be used to reduce alumina? So alumina consists of aluminium. So in the following, which metal is more reactive than aluminium that can reduce the aluminum? So the metal which is more reactive than aluminum can reduce alumina. So in the four options, magnesium is a more reactive metal than aluminum. So magnesium can reduce the alumina. So first option is the right option. That's all. Friends, this next question. This question is given on NEET 2017. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with cyanide ion. Silver later recovered by. So distillation, displacement with zinc, liquefaction and zone refining. First we will see the reaction of silver or gold metal with cyanide ion. When 4 moles of metal, here M means silver or gold, react with cyanide ion in the aqua solution, they can form a complex with the cyanide ion. They can form a complex with the cyanide ion. After that, these complex react with the zinc metal. It can form the silver or gold. So this is the reaction to get the silver or gold from their substances. So when you observe these two equations, so what they are asking, extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with the cyanide ion. So first it is react with the cyanide ion and form the complex ion. After these complex ion react with zinc metal, so it can give the silver or gold. So here M means silver or gold. So the right option is displacement with the zinc. So second step, displacement reaction, it is involved with the zinc. That's all. This is next question. This question is given in a NEET phase 1 2016 paper. Match items of column 1 with the items of column 2. So here if you see that two columns is there. In the column 1 we have cyanide process, fourth fluoridation, electrolytic reduction, zone refining. Cyanide process. Now we discussed the cyanide process can be used for the extraction of silver or gold. So first one, fourth option will be match, extraction of gold, AU. So this is AU. Second, fourth fluoridation. You know very well fourth fluoridation is used for the sulfide wars. So second option we get the 2 in the column 2. Third one, electrolytic reduction. So electrolytic reduction is for the metals like aluminium, like that. So for third one will be matched. And fourth one, if you see that zone refining. So zone refining is used for the preparation of ultra pure metals, which is used in the semiconductors. So semiconductors generally made by the silicon and germanium. So for fourth option, first option is the right option. So based on that, third option you will get the right option for the given question. So this is next question. So this question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2015 paper and 2012 paper. In the extraction of copper from its sulfide ore, the metal is finally obtained by the reduction of cuprous oxide. Actually, the given question is example for auto reduction. So auto reduction. In this auto reduction, the cuprous oxide undergoes reduction with copper sulfide and it can form the copper and sulfur dioxide. So this is the reaction. So for the reduction of cuprous oxide, here cuprous sulfate can acting as a reducing agent. So second option is the right option. That's all. Okay students, this is next question. So this question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2014 paper, AIPMT 2014 paper. When you observe the question, metals are usually not found in as nitrates in their ores. out of the following one and two reasons, which are true for the above observations. Metal nitrates are highly unstable. Metal nitrates are highly soluble in water. Actually, when I observed that all metal nitrates are soluble in water, so second statement is correct. And at the same time, metal nitrates cannot decompose easily, so those are highly stable. So based on this, second statement is correct and first statement is wrong. So first option is the right option. Once again, see the reason. All metal nitrates are easily soluble in the water, and at the same time, most of the metal nitrates cannot be decomposed easily. So those are highly stable. So based on that, first reason is wrong, second reason is right. So first option is the correct. That's all. Hello friends, this is next question. So this question is given All India Pre-Medical Test 2013 paper. Roasting of sulfides gives the gas X as a byproduct. This is a colorless gas with a choking smell of burnt sulfur and causes great damage to respiratory organs as a result of acid rains. Its aqueous solution is acidic, act as reducing agent, and its acid has never been isolated. The gas is actually when sulfide works. So if you take zinc sulfide, when zinc sulfides undergoes roasting in presence of air, they can form the zinc oxide and liberate the sulfur dioxide. So the gas X is sulfur dioxide. So sulfur dioxide is a choking smell of burnt sulfur and causes great damage to respiration of organs, and it is causes for the acid rains, and it is acting as a reducing agent. So fourth option is the right option. That's all. Okay student, this is next question. The metal oxide which cannot be reduced to metal by carbon is. So here four metal oxides is given: aluminum oxide, lead oxide, zinc oxide and ferric oxide. Actually the oxides of less reactive metal can be reduced by the carbon, and the oxides of very reactive metal are reduced by the electrolytic method. When you observe the four options, aluminum is the aluminum is the very reactive metal, so it can be reduced by the electrolytic method. Lead, zinc and iron are the less reactive metal, those are reduced by the carbon. So less reactive metals like lead, zinc, iron reduced by carbon. At the same time, high reactive metals like aluminum, magnesium, calcium are reduced by electrolytic reduction. So based on this, first option is the right option. That's all. Okay student, this next question. This question is given All India Pre-Medical Test 2012 paper. Aluminum is extracted from alumina Al2O3 by electrolysis of a molten mixture of. Actually, the electrolytic mixture consists of alumina, cryolite and fluorospar in the ratio of 20:40:20. So electrolyte mixture contains alumina, its formula is Al2O3, comma, cryolite, and its formula is Na3AlF6 or AlF3.3NAF, and fluorospar, CaF2 in the ratio of 20:40:20. So based on this, the mixture contains third option is the right option for that. Okay friends, so this is next question. This question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2012 paper. Which one of the following is a mineral of iron? So when I observe that here we have four options: malachite, cassiterite, pyrolusite and magnetite. When I observe that first one is malachite. So malachite is a ore of copper. Its formula is CuCO3.CuOH taken 2. So first option is not a right option. When you go for the second one, cassiterite. So cassiterite is the ore of tin. So its formula is SnO2. and third one is pyrolusite. So pyrolusite is a ore of manganese. Its formula is MnO2. And fourth one is magnetite. So its formula is Fe3O4. So it's a ore of iron. So fourth option is the right option. That's all. Students, so this is the next question. This question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2011 paper. Which of the following pair of metal is purified by Van Arkel method? Generally, the Van Arkel method is used for the purification of zirconium and titanium. So second option is the right option. That's so this is the next question. This question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2011 paper. The following reactions takes place in the blast furnace in the preparation of impure iron. Identify the reaction pertaining to the formation of the slag. So actually slag is a mixture of flux and matrix. So in the four options, the option can is indication of mixture of flux and matrix. So calcium oxide is react with the silicon dioxide and form the calcium silicates in the form of slag. So third option is the right option for the given question. Friends, this is the next question. This question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2007 paper. Sulfide ores of the metal are usually concentrated by fourth flotation process. Which one of the following sulfide ore offer an exception and is concentrated by chemical leaching? So here what are the given? All are the sulfide ores. So galena is a sulfide ore of lead, copper pyrite is sulfide ore of Cu, and sphalerite is a sulfide ore of that one, and argentite. So argentite is a sulfide ore of silver. So actually the silver and gold both are extracted by the leaching process. So Ag2S is when react with sodium cyanide, it can form a complex with cyanide and these silver cyanide later react with zinc dust and form the metals 2Ag plus Na2 Zn Cn taken form. So these are the reactions involved. So argentite can be extracted by the leaching process. That's all.